Hello Preeti, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. How
From
are
where are
you?
you coming?
I'm coming from Family Court, Bandra.
Oh, so you are attending some matrimonial matter.
Yes.
So have you read today's Times of India? There is a judgment of Allahabad High Court and the headline says High Court warns against labelling of small disputes as cruelty for divorce.
Yeah, this is a judgment given by the Allahabad High Court Division Bench in respect of especially the word cruelty. What is the meaning of cruelty? Because it's a very vast subject.
Yeah, but yes, the High Court is right because nowadays the women on small thing they will rush to the court, police station and make allegations that my husband is abusing me, my mother-in-law is abusing me, my father-in-law is telling this thing to me, and then they file case by saying that this is cruelty. Now, can this be called a cruelty?
Actually cruelty is a very vast subject, very vast definition also. There are mental cruelty, physical cruelty, but now there is a more cases of mental cruelty. Now, for one person, a small thing is very small, but for other spouse, it is very big thing. Like suppose if you
Yeah,
dress,
I remember the other day I commented upon your dress.
yes,
And you were upset because you are very careful about your dress.
yeah,
And so, if a husband speaks something about a wife's dress, and a wife is very cautious about her dress,
yes,
then it may amount to cruelty.
yes.
And these small incidents, if I go on commenting, if the husband or mother-in-law or
Yeah.
father-in-law or brother-in-law or anybody else in the family, if they go on commenting, it may be small thing, but continuous commenting,
See, that is
continuous
the only
taunting.
that is the main this thing that if one word, if suppose there was a judgment which was very famous that wife used to call husband hathi. So the constant utterment of that particular word in presence of society, I think it will be not very small thing for the husband. So that small thing leads to a big dispute between the husband and wife. So
And this is also, I think you are right, it is a subjective thing.
yes,
For me, if I have thick skin, it will not matter.
yeah,
But if somebody is very sensitive,
yes.
it will matter.
And what happen now when you are having a good relations, everything will be in a joke. But the moment your relation spoils, the every small matters makes a difference, and it becomes a big issue.
So therefore now, husband, mother-in-law, father-in-law, they have to be very careful in addressing their wives.
But that is not right actually, because that is not the main purpose. Because in that circumstances you have to count your words and tell your words to the spouse. So I think this judgment for that particular matter may be right, but that particular word cruelty, it defines every case to case.
Yeah,
How much
cruelty is a
amount,
subjective thing.
yes, subjective things, and how much that affects to other spouse, that has to be look into in the matters, then it is right.
Thank you for clarifying this. Otherwise, I would be committing cruelty by taunting my wife.
Yeah, definitely. Then you have to come to me.
Friends, Preeti Gada is the head of the legal department of my office, Sudhir Shah and Associates. We are practicing since last 55 years. We are practicing in almost all the courts, and I am since last 25 years specializing in USA immigration laws and Canadian immigration laws. So if you have any problem, matrimonial, she is expert. Any court case, she is expert. And if you want to go to USA, if you have an American dream, if you want to have PR of Canada, come to me.
Thank you.